Hi guys! Today on Divas Can Cook, we are making one of my favorite fruity, fun, flirty frozen cocktail. I am talking about none other than the frozen strawberry daiquiri. I love me a good daiquiri, y'all, and this recipe is so easy. Let's go. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add our frozen strawberries into my blender. Next, I'm gonna add in a little bit of fresh strawberries. I like to use the two together because the frozen strawberries kind of creates a little nice creamy iciness, and that fresh strawberry, so good. I have some lime juice going in there. And next I'm going to add a little bit of sugar to sweeten everything up. You got to add that sugar. I don't care how ripe your strawberries are, got to have the sugar. And there's my white rum going in. All right, now we're going to go ahead and just blend this bad boy on up. Okay, just like that. And you'll see that it's so creamy. Like you can totally just drink it like this. But I like it to have a creamy and icy texture. That is the perfect texture for me. So I add a little bit of ice in there and then just give it a little pulse with your blender, and then y'all, guess what, we're done. That's like so freaking easy. That's why I like these daiquiris, y'all, because they're so easy. It's ready to serve just like that. Or you can do what I like to do, and that is make these little frozen daiquiri cubes. That way when you're ready to have one, just throw these things in the blender and you're good to go. This is perfect for if you're having like big parties and stuff. You can totally just stock your fridge up with these little cubes, and then when you're ready to mix it, add a splash of rum or strawberry soda and you are ready to go. And of course you can use different flavors. You can use peach, you can use pineapple, that's really good. Watermelon's really good. But yeah, there they are, little daiquiri cubes ready to go. Okay, so now I'm gonna serve this up. I'm gonna spoon this into my glass because it's so thick and slushy. If I just poured it in there, sometimes it comes out in one big blob and it makes a mess. So I find spooning it into my glass to be, much neater. I'm gonna garnish it with a strawberry and a little slice of lime because that looks pretty. And now we are done. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos later.